Hi YouTube, I have problem with my 96 BMW 740 IL and it won't start. See, everything's normal, but when I turn this, nothing, just silent, nothing. So again, what I do is works fine. Everything's work fine except there is no click. Nothing happened when I switch. When I go to start, try to start the car. The problem started after the battery dried. Like after 2 weeks, then I came back. I was like outside of the country, then I came back 2 weeks later, then it won't start. I don't know what's the problem. Before traveling, like it works fine. I don't know what's happening. Nothing. Any idea, please? Thank you.